Ever been stuck needing a temporary replacement for a 10 amp, 25 volt rectifier? Let's find the best, most common, and toughest options out there. When you're replacing a rectifier, good news. You can safely go higher on the voltage and amperage ratings. This actually makes your repair more robust. So, what should you grab? My number one recommendation is a common bridge rectifier like the KBPC 1010 or even better, the KBPC 2510. These are absolute workhorses. The KBPC 2510 is rated for 25 amps and a whopping 1000 volts. It's usually in a square metal case that's easy to mount. This is the definition of an overspec'd replacement, meaning it will run cool, handle way more stress than the original, and last a very long time. It's cheap, easy to find, and my go-to for a quick and reliable fix. If you're working on a printed circuit board, a GBU10M or GBU10G is another great choice. These are also 10 amp bridge rectifiers, perfect for through-hole mounting. What about using individual diodes? You could use something like the 1N5400 series, but they are typically only rated for 3 amps each. You'd have to parallel them to get to 10 amps, which gets complicated and isn't as efficient. Stick with a single bridge rectifier module. It's simpler and more reliable. So, to summarize, just remember 2 key things. Make sure your replacement can handle at least 10 amps and at least 25 volts. Grabbing a KBPC 2510 bridge rectifier is your best bet for an easy, bulletproof temporary replacement. Hope this helps you get your project back up and running. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics tips. Thanks for watching.